What is up, YouTube? It is Reagan here, back again with another video. So today I am super excited to be sharing with you another milestone on my YouTube journey. So because editing has been such a bear, I had to break down and buy the MacBook Pro. And when I say I am totally beginner to MacBooks, I am totally beginner. So this is gonna be a totally beginner-friendly unboxing of the MacBook 13 Pro M1. And I'm probably not saying it right, but bear with me. Okay, let's get into this unboxing. So here we are. I got the computer in space gray. Here's what she's looking like. Okay, so we got it out the box. Look, y'all. So it already pretty much has some charge to it, looks like. Hello. No, Ola. I don't speak of that language. Do we want an English UK? Or we want English? We probably just want English. But I wonder if the English is the main language. Press the return key. Okay guys, we're back home and I wanted to share with you all the things that I got to make my MacBook purchase complete. There were some accessories that you could purchase from the Apple Store. Y'all, they were super expensive and I was not gonna do that. Budget is what we go for around here. So I nicely went over to Amazon and got all of the things that I needed to really make my MacBook stand out and really help me with my editing process. One of the first things to know about this MacBook is that it does not have USB port. I didn't know that when I purchased it. This is one of those jumps from a PC to a MacBook that you're gonna have to deal with. I purchased a USB-C port from Amazon. It has the cord, and it also has HDMI capability. I would like to tell you as well is that this port is not powered. It is actually powered by your computer. So if your computer is not charged enough, then the power to get videos over to your computer decreases. So you wanna make sure that your computer is fully charged. I might as well go into what's plugged in here. So this is actually the adapter or the USB for my wireless Bluetooth mouse. The Bluetooth mouse was $9.95 on Amazon. The HDMI USB-C port was $19.97 on Amazon. So that works well. So going back to the computer, I got a cover for my MacBook for protection. This is a clear cover. It just gives it an extra layer of protection. You can stick some stickers under here if you would like. You can easily pop it on and off. And that's all that you have to do there. It also has a cover for the bottom that is vented. There is a fan in this particular MacBook Pro. You don't have to worry about it overheating. It also came in a set with the screen protector, the keyboard cover. You just literally just lay it on top. And then it also came with a cleaning cloth to clean the screen as well. So all of that was $9.95 on Amazon. I will have each product that I show you linked below. The next thing I want to talk to you about is the electronic organizer. So this is hard, so you don't have to worry about like smashing it or anything like that. I love it because it helps keep all of your chargers in place and you're not like running around looking for things, because nobody ain't got time for that. I don't. I know you don't. So if you're a little ADD, just a little bit on the anxious ADD side, you need to have all your stuff put together. So here we have the box for the MacBook. We have the cord for it as well. I have my headphones. Yes, they're still on a wire, don't judge me. And I have the cleaning cloth that came with the screen protector. I didn't know it was gonna come with a cleaning cloth. It didn't say that online, so that was just like an extra. So definitely check them out. Rolling right along to the laptop stand, y'all. This was a game changer for me, because what this means for me is that I can work and edit my videos anywhere. And when I say anywhere, I mean anywhere. In the bed, on the toilet. Okay, no, I'm not gonna be edited on the toilet. Maybe not on the toilet, but beside the toilet. Maybe not beside the toilet, but on a picnic, downtown, just wherever you need to go. You don't have to worry about hunching your back over trying to type, okay? You can keep your correct posture and use your laptop stand, and I love it. It's important to have all of your electronics in one place, especially when you're working. So this phone holder came with it as well. It has this little notch here. I don't know if you can tell, where you can scroll through and see like what you're doing on your phone. So that's a game changer. Yeah. Simple take apart. Just slide and take this apart. As you can see, it swivels. It has the ability to turn either way. And to break it down, you just simply fold it down, and you're ready to go. Phone holder stays with it, but to put it up, pop it out here, and you're ready to go. And it goes higher. It really is easy to do, guys. I looked at it when I first got it and I was like, oh gosh, what is all this? I don't know how to do it. So basically here you have the notch for the phone holder. You just place that notch there and slide it down, and then your computer stand placed at the height that you want. This was $9.95. That is that. So last but not least, let's check out the bag that I bought. So I purchased this bag from Amazon for $29.97. This bag is a must-have if you have any sort of electronic. The storage on it is amazing. The usability of this is amazing. So without me going on and on about it, let me just show you some of the parts of it. So here we have several areas for storage. Your power bank will come in handy because you have a charger port on your book bag. You can charge your phone or whatever device you have if you are running out of battery. So that is amazing. So I need that with me at all times, because right now I'm sure something's dying. So we're gonna zip that. You have a zip pocket here, kind of take the place of your purse. You also have pockets on the side, which right now I have a dry erase marker. Makes no sense. The straps are very durable. And another thing that I like about it is that you can carry it here or you can carry it on your back. You also have pockets here. Amazing, right? Now let's get on the inside of the bag. Look at how deep this bag is. So your laptop would go in this cushioned area. Slide it down, and then I'm going to show you. So it just slides down nicely inside the bag. It's cushioned. You don't have to worry about it getting messed up, stepped on. I like that this bag stays upright, so nobody will be tempted to step on it if you stand it upright. So I hope that some of these accessories will be able to help you once you get your MacBook as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.